Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of disruptive technology innovations. These are the breakthroughs that have the power to reshape industries, transform lives, and change the world as we know it. So, buckle up as we explore some of the most game-changing technologies of our time. First, let's clarify what we mean by disruptive technology. Coined by Clayton Christensen, a disruptive technology is an innovation that creates a new market and value network, eventually disrupting existing markets and displacing established market leaders. Now, let's look at some prime examples. Our first example is the smartphone. Remember the days of flip phones and Blackberries? The introduction of the iPhone in 2007 by Apple revolutionized the mobile phone industry. Combining a phone, an iPod, and an internet communicator, the iPhone wasn't just a new gadget. It redefined how we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves. This single device disrupted multiple industries, including telecommunications, computing, and media. Now, let's talk about blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, introduced in 2009, brought the concept of a decentralized digital currency to the forefront. Blockchain, the technology behind it, offers a secure and transparent way to record transactions, applicable far beyond just cryptocurrencies. It's disrupting finance, supply chains, healthcare, and even voting systems by providing a new level of security and efficiency. Artificial intelligence, AI, deserves a spotlight too. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to more complex systems that predict diseases or drive cars, AI is embedding itself into every aspect of our lives. It's not just about automation, it's about enhancing human capabilities and making intelligent decisions. AI is disrupting industries by improving efficiency, reducing errors, and enabling new forms of interaction. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. Disruptive technologies are emerging at an unprecedented pace, each with the potential to upend the status quo and drive significant changes in our daily lives and the global economy. What do you think will be the next big disruption? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in tech innovations. See you next time.